wake up in the morning and I raise my weary head. Got no coat for a pillow and the earth was last night's bed. I don't know where I'm going, only God knows where I've been. Hey there, budding Campfire guitar heroes. My name's Dene. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a return viewer, welcome back. As you know, this channel specialises on songs around that 1980s era, maybe a decade either side. This one just sneaks into 1990, Bon Jovi, Blaze of Glory. What an epic song, and it's got such a great origin story. I'll tell you more about that later, but let's get straight into how to play this song. As you can see there's the key ingredients of the song. It's actually not too hard because it's got all the open chords, the basic open chords. What I found about this song, the main challenge was trying to create that sort of western, that cowboy feel about it, and I'm going to show you how I did that now with a basic hammer-on technique as I work through the verse. Now you're going to see this in my partial playthrough at the end of the video, how it all came together, but this is basically what I did to give this song that authentic sound, that western cowboy sound. Well, it's probably best I just do a quick demo for you now so you can hear what I do, and then I'm going to break it down slowly. So starting on that E minor. So on that E minor, basically I'm hammering on the D string, my pointer finger, and I'm just hammering on and off, but I'm doing a bass string pick first, heavy E string, down strum, little down, up, down, and then I'm doing that hammer on, and I'm focusing on picking that D string. Hear that sound? Then I move to the D chord, and I'm going to be focusing on that G string hammering on. So. And then the same process again on the A chord. And I'm doing an A sus2 hammer on. You see the chord patterns on the screen there? Back to the E minor. So that's basically the feel that I do. When I move to the G, you're going to be hammering on that A string. I'll repeat that. D, A, so there you have it. Just look, you don't have to be precise with this, all right? This is one of those close enough is good enough. You don't have to hit every string exactly because you're strumming at the same time and people are going to sing along anyway. So, you know, it is a close enough is good enough as I'll do here. Now don't forget I do a free song sheet for every one of my lessons. The link is below. You can download it from the Patreon page. It's got the chord patterns, it's got the lyrics, it's got everything you need to know how to learn, practice and play the song. So that was basically how I play the verse. You can do it any way you like. You can just strum it straight, alright? So, wake up in the morning and I raise my weary head. Got no coat for a pillow and the earth was last night's bed. And I'm just strumming it normally. If you're a beginner, that's how you start. But to add that dynamics, you do the hammer on, right? I wake up in the morning and I raise my head. Got no coat for a pillow and yours was last night's bed. Alright, got the idea. Now we move into the chorus. The chorus is obviously the crescendo of the song. Epic, big vocals, Bon Jovi, unbelievable vocalist. And you're just moving from its E to the A. It's real power chord type stuff, although we're not doing power chords, right? So, we're going down in a blaze of glory. Big strums. Hit me now, but know the truth. Alright, you're just belting it out. belting it out. That's what I love about this song. And honestly, if you're at a sing-along, everyone launches into the chorus. So that's why this song is such a winner. Now, to add a little more dynamics to it, of course, you can add some percussive elements too. Chord A, E7, D, Now, of course, I launch into this in my partial playthrough at the end of this video. I have some fun with this song. And you need to too, so just pick up the guitar and give it a go, right? Even if you don't have the vocal ability like Jon Bon Jovi. Now, speaking of vocal ability, using my patented Patreon vocal ability rating system, I would actually call this song rock star status, because you know, to really pull it off properly, I think you need to have the chops in your vocals. So, rock star for me. Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. Now, I did say at the top of the video, this song has a super interesting origin story. Alright, firstly, it was the first single hit by I keep getting this wrong. It was the first single hit by Jon Bon Jovi, right? It wasn't the band Bon Jovi, it was him as a solo artist. That was when he first was having a break from the band, 1990, and this one hit #1. It was his only #1 hit as a solo artist. Went #1 in the US, Australia, New Zealand, Canada. It took off. It was a mega hit. It even almost won the Grammy for best single that year. Madonna beat him with some dud song. I'll put it up on the screen there. But that aside, it won a Golden Globe. It got plenty of awards, right? So we know why it's such a great song. But the origin to it was his mate, Jon Bon Jovi's mate, Emilio Estevez, was shooting Young Guns 2, right? And he wanted to use the Bon Jovi song Wanted, Dead or Alive. Jon Bon Jovi wasn't happy with that, so he wrote this one instead, Blaze of Glory, to be more fitting to the script of the movie. So that's how the song came about. And as soon as he played it to the producer, and that they just loved it. And funnily enough, this movie, Young Guns 2, was the first movie appearance for Jon Bon Jovi. He's gone on to do a few other movie appearances as well, but this was his first acting gig. Now, the other random fact about the song was it wasn't his band playing behind him. Instead, he assembled some pretty accomplished musicians. He had Randy Jackson on bass, and he had the unbelievably talented Jeff Beck doing the guitar and the slide guitar to this song. So there you have it. There's a few fun facts about this song that maybe you did not know until you started watching this video. And if you've watched this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, because you've obviously got some value out of this. Now, I'm about to launch into that partial playthrough where I do a verse, a chorus, and an outro. And I have a bit of fun with the outro. I go on and on. Anyway, that's what playing guitar and singing is all about. It's about having fun. You don't have to be perfect. Have a go, and that's what I'm about to do right now. So thanks for watching, folks, and don't forget to check out this playlist, the top 10 campfire guitar songs of all time. It is the instant song repertoire for you. Check it out right now. I wake up in the morning and I raise my weary head. Got no coat for a pillow, and the earth was last night's bed. I don't know where I'm going, only God knows where I've been. I'm a devil on the run, six-gun lover, candle in the wind. When you're born into this world, they say you're born in sin, but at least they gave me something, didn't have to steal or win. They tell me that I'm wanted, yeah, I'm a wanted man. I'm a colt in your stable, what cane? What's the able, mister? Catch me if you can. Going down in a blaze of glory. Take me now, but know the truth. I'm going out out in a blaze of glory. Lord, I never drew first, but I drew first blood. I'm a devil's son. Call me young gun, young gun. Call me young